Is it time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore the QQQ ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 25th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You do not want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any company among 25,000 worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. As of the 8th of October, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.21. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 1.23%. This amounts to an average return of 0.09% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a modest upward trend in the short term, and indications suggest a continuation of this rise. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 9.38% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 4.30% and 11.20%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it points to an anticipated change of around 26.67% over the next year, with possible returns between 16.82% and 37.39%. This suggests a price range of $578.61 to $680.50 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ highlights that the QQQ ETF price increased by 0.609% on Friday. On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 25th of October, 2024, the QQQ ETF price rose from $492.32 to $495.32. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.18%, reaching a low of $494.43 and a high of $500.28. Notably, the price has gone up in 8 of the last 10 days and has increased by 0.4% over the past 2 weeks. Furthermore, trading volume also rose on the last day, with 16 million more shares exchanged compared to the previous day. In total, 38 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $18.85 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $503.52, while the lowest was $344.08. Currently, the price is 1.63%, or $8.20, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which also stands as the all-time high for the ETF. In today's trading environment, the Invesco QQQ Trust Exchange Traded Fund is drawing attention as third-quarter earnings reports loom, particularly within the technology sector, the ETF's largest weight. With preliminary earnings from the financial services sector demonstrating strength, investors are eagerly anticipating the tech results, which could significantly influence QQQ's performance. Analysts are cautious, however, with many believing the ETF is nearing its peak valuation, despite its impressive growth rate surpassing most large-cap mutual funds. Recent actions by prominent investors highlight growing institutional interest in QQQ. Notably, billionaire Ken Griffin has significantly increased his stake in the ETF by 584%, signaling confidence in its long-term potential. This move, alongside potential growth driven by artificial intelligence adoption and strong company performance, could bolster QQQ's price in the short term. However, the high concentration in technology stocks also poses risks, as market dynamics could lead to volatility if these companies underperform. Looking ahead, upcoming earnings reports in late October will reveal critical insights into trends like artificial intelligence investments and internet advertising spending, factors that could drive future valuations. Overall, while QQQ offers compelling return potential, especially as a play on advancements in artificial intelligence, investors should remain vigilant regarding market corrections or shifts in the economic landscape that could impact its trajectory. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be some support from the lines at $493.30 and $484.22. A breakdown below either of these levels will generate sell signals. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, October 14, 2024, and so far it has declined by approximately 0.438%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal detected. Pivots, a sell signal was noted 10 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal was observed 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal emerged 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was recorded 34 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 31 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals, short moving average, a sell signal appeared 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal was noted 34 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 234 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $448.75 and $439.53. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level because if this level is breached, the ETF may then decline to the next support level. In this case, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $448.75. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $439.53 and $435.37. Generally, the ETF tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is regarded as quite low for this stock. During the past day, the ETF moved $5.85 between its high and low, or 1.18%. Over the last week, the ETF has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.18%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either a low expectation for the company's future performance or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $495.42. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ faces its first support level at $448.75. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $476.52, representing a decline of 3.8%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily movements, which translates to a low level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top that was identified 9 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment choice? Several short-term signals, combined with a generally positive trend, suggest that this may be an opportune time to consider purchasing, as there is a reasonable possibility for the QQ ETF to perform well in the near future. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 28th of October, we anticipate that QQQ will open higher by $1.36, starting at a price of $496.68. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult a financial advisor prior to making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.